Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to Learn at Home घर पे सीखो powered by bookmytutor.in. So, in this video, we will study about transversal. In the previous video, you have studied what is parallel lines and now we are studying the transversal. So, transversal is a line in a plane which intersect two lines. Okay. Just see the examples. I'll make a two lines. This is the line 1 and this is the line 2. This is the one plane. In that one line is drawn. So this line is intersect at any point. Okay. At any point on line 1 and line 2 it's called as transversal, children. Okay. So what is transversal? Transversal is a line which intersect two lines in a plane is called as transversals. Okay. It may be two lines or more than two lines also possible. But in this case, not necessary have a parallel lines. See, one more example I will show you like this and like this. There are two lines and here this is also a transversal. So this is also a transversal. Okay. Both are transversal. In this case, line A, B, C and D are parallel. But in this case, A, B, C, D are not parallel. Okay. And you can see for more than two lines also. Just draw the example. I'll see the figure here. So there is A, B, C, D, E and F. There are three lines. Okay. There are three lines. And there is a plane. And there is a one transversal which intersect all the three lines at particular points. So this is the points where it is intersecting. You can see here these are the point where transversal is intersecting. So in the first figure you see there is a figure A, there is a figure B and there is a figure C. In the first figure you see there are two parallel lines and transversal is there. In the second figure you see there are not parallel line but transversal is there. Okay. And you see the figure C. In this there are three parallel lines and transversal is there. So transversal means it's a line which intersect another lines in a particular point, that is called as transversal. Okay children. Now we will see here how angle will formed by transversal in the next video. Till that you learn at home घर पे सीखो. Okay. So have a good day, great day. Bye bye.